Hey, today in this video, I want to show you one of these programs. I've used a web version of this, but I'm trying to install an open local version of this. This is this ebook to audiobook library. I mean, this is a very recent technology. So basically, now with the this sort of text to speech AI models really improving and increasing in quality, you can really generate this sort of you take a text file or a PDF file and try to generate audio out of it. And this is decently good. Even the open source ones are really good. Like you can, for instance, check this out. Like let's see.
Just always the woman I have seldom heard. And ambition, the drowsiness of the drug.
See,
He
like I
was
mean,
still, as ever, deeply attracted by the study of crime and occupied his immense
again, like,
faculty.
is this like a really, studio quality audiobook? Probably not, definitely not. But is this somewhat reasonable? And also, maybe I don't know if it really works for these in translation, or like if it really is only native support. I mean, like if I have a English book and I convert it to audio Chinese, I probably don't think so. But anyway, so this is a very good library. So it's also locally installable and runs on CPU, so you didn't need to. Oh, okay, so actually, Apple Silicon support is probably available. Like, so I'm on an Apple Silicon, meaning Mac. There's these M1, M2, M3 chips. So they're called Apple Silicon. So let's see if this works actually. So it's I just downloaded the thing from GitHub using this, and then I just ran this command. So basically, I went into the folder, and then I launched this, and it's now just downloading all of these required libraries. Like 90% of the time, 95% of the time, these things will throw me some error. But I'm just trying to be brave and trying to record and hoping some magic will happen and this will just work out of the box. But let's see. I mean, again, like what do I lose, right? Like if it works, and if it doesn't, doesn't. But there are other open source versions of this that you can do on the web, either for like a small fee, or like you have a free tier that you can do limited amounts of stuff or things like that. So maybe you can try those as well. But the idea here is that speech to text technology has really improved quite a bit. So you can really do these for high quality. And now many companies are also using this. So Apple, for instance, uh, so speech to text has improved, but also text to speech has improved. So for instance, Apple is now has this ability to given a podcast, they'll give you all the transcripts that are transcribed automatically. Most of the state of the art is called Whisper, which is an open AI model. It's an open source model that you can use. So yeah, this is taking some time, but in the meantime, what I did also is just go to uh, Project Gutenberg, which is this free ebook project. So basically, this is a volunteer effort to digitize books that were written like 100 years ago or so. So these are old books that do not have copyright anymore. So these are all open source, but there are lots of them, like really good ones, like I don't know, Alice in Wonderland or whatever. There's uh, Shakespeare, Romeo and Juliet, Pride and Prejudice, all of these. Right, like so, and some of these are quite good. Like so, for instance, um, this one is just plain text, right? So what I can do is I'll just save this. So it's saved here. Let's check that out if that is actually saved. And this is checking or not. So let's see. So let's go to downloads. So PG 1342, right? Like so, this is the entire book, right? And this is a table of contents. All of this is the book. And okay, there's lots of things which are not properly formatted. So one thing I could do, is just go here, remove all of this stuff, right? Like I mean, this is all the preface and all of that stuff. Wow, there's lots of preface. So anyway, I don't want the things to be all of these to be read. So I'll just remove that. Let's see. I mean, if this even works. So it's taking a long time and installing a bunch of stuff. Um, so okay, I have all of these FFmpeg and things like that. But anyway, I mean, it works hopefully out of the box. Let me just pause the video until this finishes installing. Okay, I mean, it took its sweet time. I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's check it out. Okay, it did work. Right, like basically, okay, it's asking me to put in a file here. Let me dump in a file here. Okay, so the base is, I don't know what these are, but okay, language is English. So I will say, I don't know, let's check it out, like if it works. Because I have a GPU on my Mac, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work using this Mac GPU. It was not an NVIDIA type of GPU. But anyway, it opened some app and I think it's running. Let me check if it works. So, okay, yeah, by the way, also you can, I think, let me also try this a bit later, but you can, for instance, upload your own voice or, some of these people I know, Bob Odenkirk and, Bob Ross and all of these are popular people. So you can also potentially, oh, wow, David Attenborough, like you can potentially generate outputs in these voices. I don't know how long this will take. Probably this will take a while, I'm assuming. But as you can see here, it's not even like really taking a lot of memory. So yeah, that's quite good. Or CPU even. So I don't know if this is yeah, how long this is gonna take. But let me. I mean, I should have given it a smaller file. But anyway, I'll also yeah pause the video again and let you know once it works. Okay, apparently, I mean, it took like its time and like, okay, now it's saying it's going to be very, very slow. So it took like 4 minutes and it converted like 0.5%. So it's definitely going to take a very long time. I mean, one other thing that, you can do is just, I mean, I can just restart this, but okay, in the end, I just wanted to show you like how this works. Let me just see if I have a smaller one somewhere. Okay, I don't have, maybe yeah, anyway, so this is a good option, like again, if you have time and you want to do this, this is a very good option. I want to show you the output, but yeah, unfortunately I don't have it right now, but this is one good way of doing it. So let me just stop the share here.